making, buddy?
I'm making a crazy bird house.
I think it's looking real beautiful. Did you do that all by yourself?
But I'm not done yet.
You're doing pretty good. I like the colors combination.
I'm using yellow for the pointy ends.
For the pointy ends?
Yeah. Don't worry. The ends will dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure you wipe it on here.
And
Good job.
I'm going to choose white. Because white is one of my cool colors of the rainbow.
White's not one of the colors of the rainbow.
They are. I'm going to use it for this. This little circle thing. I hear it. I don't know. I hear a noise.
You hear a noise? What do you hear?
I can hear a dog.
That's a dog. What else do you hear?
I hear a truck.
You got some good ears. That's good. I'm glad you're using your listening.
That's because I have a sense of hearing.
That's good. And what are you using your sense of right now?
I'm using the sense of my hearing.
You're using your sense of touch right now.
You're
You're touching stuff.
I'm using one of my favorite colors, blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your favorite color?
Blue and rainbow.
Blue and rainbow. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at me.
Cheese.
I love you.